Good morning, everybody. Um, Welcome to the garden. Say hi, Prince. He says hi. Uh, this morning I'm gonna cook the family fresh omelets with some fresh picked tomatoes, and I just did some mustard greens and some. I think that's chard. I might cut up some kale too, maybe do some juice or something. But this is pretty much what we got going on in the outdoor garden. This is some potatoes. This video I'm just gonna be wrapping, just talking about our living soil outdoor grow. um, and just kind of what I'm going to be focusing on. Um, I guess we'll start off with our products we're using for our living soil grow. Our Photosynthesis Plus. I love this product. Um, and this is me more learning about more about microbial life and what that does and how that plays a role in your living soil setup. For our just basic soil compound, it was peat moss mixed with perlite. I think some Pro Mix. I think the bag's right there. Some Pro Mix, and then I had some soil that I composed last year. It's easier to tell. It'll have extra weeds and extra stuff growing through it from other stuff that was in the soil versus the Pro Mix, which is pretty fresh. That's a lot of these two have the Pro Mix in there. So yeah, man, today's video, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the microbes and just my journey on understanding them. I was just listening to a video of Mr. Grow It. Talking to another dude just about microbial life and how important that is in your living soil grow, and just the products that I like to use and what they were talking about with the bacillus and the glorimus and the different species, and how I guess I looked at it this way: you cast a broad net with your microbial life, and it helps to combat some of those myths about using pH up and pH down, killing off your microbes, keeping that a proper soil balance. This is another microbial product that I kind of like too. It has enhancements. Um, Understanding the sulfates and how salts play a role in everything, and it's in everything. I'm using bottled stuff. I'm not using dry organics, and then I'm also testing out. Shout out Dude Grows, Scotty and the dude. Hydroponic store guy gave me a sample of recharge, so I'm going to be testing that out. So I've been pretty much just going through the journey of, sorry, just opening the package without spilling it, and I cut the top off, but I think these were a lot of bacillus. These are new to me. The trichodemia microbes, that's new to me. So a lot of these, they also show up in these other products. Like Photosynthesis Plus is great because it has a lot of microbe diversity. Plus, the one specific thing I love is the photosynthetic bacterials. I haven't seen that in anywhere else. The next thing I'm trying to learn is the units, and truly like understanding how much it really is, like compared to other products, whether if it's recharge, whether if it's oh my gosh, the other shit from Plant Success, Great White. That's what I was using, the liquid version, or Orca, the liquid version, and then I'm using SLF for its enzymatic. I think this has some. I think this has a lot of the same different bacteria and stuff in there to help kind of keep your soil clean, keep that bacteria feeding off, keep using those microbes to feed the bacteria. I think if I'm trying to kind of get the whole picture of it all and just kind of completing that ecosystem balance for your living soil that way, whether if it's just, obviously natural rainwater, sometimes tap water, which is kind of city water, it's kind of processed. It has different biocarbons and that stuff. I'm still confused about the whole, is it okay to use tap water conditioner? Should you not use it? Should you just leave your water out? I don't know. So, I mean, if you guys know, someone please just leave some notes for me to look up and research. Let me put the top back on this real quick. And trying to like, is it helpful to use tap water conditioner? I don't know. Like I read the bottle and it says yeah it is, but then it's kind of more like if you're using large amounts of water, obviously in a fish tank, then you need to use it. If not, you really don't. You're not using big enough amounts to cause you're not using big enough amounts of this product to really benefit from it. So as long as you're using smaller amounts, like I'm a small home grower with my little garden. Shout out to the veg stage. With my little garden and everything. So it may not be beneficial for me to use this. It might not be efficient. So, but no, it's just me kind of going through this journey. Our outdoor growth. So we got our mixed salad bowl lettuce, mix some basil. Our broccoli's coming in. I don't know if you can see the head of the broccoli, and then some chard, some mustard greens, kale, pumpkin. I don't know what that is. I think it's a sunflower from the bird's feeder. Um, Different species of peppers. Our lemon tree starting to bud and flower. Our tomato tree is finishing. Another pepper tree. That's, I don't know what that is. This is cannabis. I don't know what strain it is. I just popped some seeds. Watermelon, squash, and our different sets of potatoes, blue potatoes, russet potatoes. And then I don't know what strain those are. I'll name those strains later. Some more tomatoes, and then our small herb garden, and then our other herbals right there. So that's pretty much going to be my living soil project for this summer that I've been working on. Probably gonna finish this out. So I'll continue to test out those microbial products that I'm using. So far so good. I love them. I'm gonna stick with those in my regimen, and then just learning how to read the back of the bottles. You avoid the overkill and repetition. But I mean, it's microbes. The more the merrier. So learn to live in balance. So that's pretty much my living soul experiments. But if y'all have any tips or anything, please let me know. So yeah, like, subscribe, share, all that cool shit. Peace.